Hello, this is Janet with Southern Edge Education, and today we will be using Desmos on the digital SAT to solve linear equations in one variable. Okay, so let's begin. So a practice question that we have is what value of x satisfies the equation below? Now we're going to use Desmos in order to solve this. So first, what you need to do is you need to take each side of the linear equation and to write it into its own line. So here's the Desmos move that you're going to want to do. So you'll come to your Desmos screen and you'll type in each side of the equation, the left side and the right side on their own individual lines. Okay, so then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll on your screen and find where the two lines intersect. And if you use your cursor to tap on the intersection, the ordered pair will pop up for you, which you should have 9, 28. And note that the x value 9 is your solution to the equation. Now, there is another way to which you can type this in Desmos and have Desmos solve it for you. And that involves taking the entire equation and writing it all in one time on one line. So let's show you what that would look like. You're going to see the graph of a vertical line. And what you want to do with this vertical line is you want to go find where the line intersects the x-axis. And if you tap on that intersection, the ordered pair will pop up. And if you notice, it gives you 9, 0. And again, the x value 9 is your solution. All right, let's scroll on down to the next example. Now what you're going to notice on this next example is what is the solution to the given equation. But if you'll notice on this equation that they have the variable b instead of the letter x. Now for Desmos, your Desmos move that you have to do here is Desmos needs the variable to be x to graph. So, and you're going to, let me show you what's going to happen. So if you come over here and you start typing with the letters and see that it has the letter B, notice first off, it gives you a little warning triangle. Okay. But if you continue on and then you do plus, notice that it's still not wanting to graph for you. And then watch, it looks for you to add a slider. Okay. So Desmos will not graph if those variables are not the letter x. So you're going to have to take time and exchange every variable b with the letter x. So you need x plus 3x subtract 5x plus 3 equals x plus 9. So in order to do this on Desmos, you need to substitute everything in. So then you can come over here. Now, you have the option of, again, you can write the left-hand side and the right-hand side on two separate lines, or you are welcome to go ahead and type in the entire equation all at once. So type in here, you're going to look for an intersection. If you type this, you're going to get a vertical line and you're going to look for the intersection on the x-axis. So it really becomes a preference on whether you want to type it all at once or if you want to separate it into two equations. I think I'm just going to type mine in all at once. So what I want to do is then I want to find my intersection. So I want to hover with my little cursor, tap it so that the ordered pair will come up, and I can see that -3 is my x value and -3 is the solution to the equation. Thank you, and I hope this helps the next time you take your SAT.